Hi all my YouTube fans. I wanted to show you how I'm going to get the strawberry seeds from the unused part of the strawberries I had for breakfast this morning. Cut around the edges. I didn't think of that yesterday when I tried this. This so you can get seeds from your table scraps and regrow it. Super. I'm going to throw all this away. Then I need a cup. This cup will do. That's pretty too. So I'm going to put them in a cup. There's all that in the cup. And then I'm going to put some water in there. Oh, about half full would be just fine. Blades in here. The old one. I think this is called an Immersion blender. I think that would be good. So you're supposed to let this settle for a few minutes. The seeds floating on the top are no good. That means they won't grow. 2 or 3 minutes later, there's a bunch of seeds floating on top there. So I got my trusty spoon, and I'm going to skim off the top. Just put down the drain here, kitchen sink. And I'm just going to start pouring off the liquid, because down at the bottom, all the seeds collect. I'm going to add a little more water. I'll set that down again, let it settle for a few minutes. Not too many left floating. Just a few. Hardly any now. So what I'll do is I'll just start pouring out some more. And you'll start to see down the bottom of the cup, right in there, are the seeds that'll grow. As I pour off the water, you'll start to see more seeds. They're way down the bottom there. See all the seeds? That's all strawberry seeds I can grow. And I'm going to rinse it off a little bit more. I'm going to put a little more water in. Get the goop off. Pour all the goop out. Let it settle again. Okay, see all the seeds down the bottom? Isn't that neat? And just pour off the water real slowly so don't pour out the seeds. Just want to pour out the fruit. The seeds are starting to come out, so I'm going to do it one more time. That should be clean enough, I would think. Let it settle a few minutes. You could even stir it some, just knock off more of the fruit from the seeds. So you're just having the seeds left. And I'm just going to start pouring that off. You got a bunch of seeds down there, see? And then, I'll do it one more time since I'm trying to be so careful to not have any fruit in there. I don't want anything to mold or anything, so I guess one more time. So I'm going to stir that around a little bit. Let it settle again. That's pretty good. And we pour off the water again. And all the seeds are down at the bottom there. Looks pretty clean. I don't see much fruit down there. The seeds will dry and then I could put them in a package. I get my little spoon. Scrape it over the cup. tiny little seeds. This I gotta get the rest with my finger, they're so tiny. I just put them on a paper towel and spread them out a little bit so they dry better. I'll scrape my fingers off. So many tiny little seeds. They're very sticky when it's watery. Here are my seeds, and usually I would have this dry, but I'm just gonna put another paper towel under here since I got this wet and they're on there. Maybe that'll give it some more airflow so they'll dry a little bit better. Then I'll come back once they're dry and I'll put them in my little sealed sandwich bag that I'm keeping my strawberry seeds in. Okay, this is sort of dry. Actually, I'm going to move the seeds over to the. I'm going to try to put them on the dry part, right down here, if I can without putting them everywhere. Okay, another, we'll see on the dry part there. Sort of rolling around. They look pretty good. It's only been like maybe 10 minutes or so. See all the seeds I got now? Isn't that cool? So, I'm gonna put them in my bag and saving the seeds in. These are the ones I got from the other day. There we go. I'm going to add these different growers of the strawberries, so I'm going to have a variety. Put tape on the little label I made and put it outside the bag. So, scoop this up and pop them right in there. There we go. Look at all the strawberry seeds I have now. That's quite a bit. And what I do is I put these in the fridge with my other seeds. Trying to guess how many seeds are in here. I'd say at least 50 of them. That's going to grow a lot of strawberries. There they are. I'm going to seal it up and store it till I want to grow them. There is to it.